How to replace fuel lines on Poulan Pro 220 chainsaw. The fuel line on a Poulan Pro 220 chainsaw links the gas tank with the carburetor, which feeds the combustion chamber. This flimsy plastic line can break easily, get torn from the carburetor, or malfunction. If you've stored your Poulan chainsaw for a long time, the dried-out gas deposits can also ruin the line or make it difficult for the carburetor to get enough fuel to the engine. You should replace the fuel line and the fuel filter on a regular basis according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Things you will need: screwdriver, needle nose pliers, metal wire baling wire, scissors, new fuel filter. Empty the gas tank into the proper container. Start the saw and run it until the engine dies to clean out any excess gasoline. Use the screwdriver to remove the cylinder cover on the top of the saw, which protects the air filter and carburetor. Locate the fuel lines connected to the carburetor. Grab the top plastic line. This line connects to the gas tank with the needle nose pliers. Pull this line off the carburetor nozzle. Unscrew the gas cap and set it aside in safe, clean place. Use the needle nose pliers to grab the fuel filter in the tank. Pull the fuel filter and fuel line out of the tank. Throw both of those away. Cut off about 10 to 12 inches of new fuel line with the scissors. Cut one end at a 45-degree angle. Insert the metal wire into the other end of the gas line. Push the cut end of the fuel line into the hole inside the gas tank. Use the wire for leverage and thread the line all the way through until you see it appear out the back end of the carburetor. Cut off any excess line and insert the new fuel filter into the fuel line. Push them back into the tank. Use the needle nose pliers to grab the rear end of the fuel line. Reattach it to the top carburetor inlet. Make sure it is secure by wiggling the line with the pliers. Tips: warnings. Always use caution when working around open gasoline.